How to convert a TSP to Gold IRA. Many investors look for safer ways to protect their retirement savings from inflation and market uncertainty. One option is learning how to convert a TSP to Gold IRA. A Gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals inside a retirement account, helping diversify your portfolio. A Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, is a retirement account for federal employees and military members. While it mainly includes traditional investments like stocks and bonds, a Gold IRA focuses on precious metals such as gold and silver. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why convert a TSP to a Gold IRA? There are several reasons why investors consider this strategy. Protection against inflation. Better portfolio diversification. Reduced stock market risk. Long-term value preservation. Financial security during economic downturns. Gold has historically been viewed as a safe haven asset, making it attractive for retirement planning. Steps on how to convert a TSP to Gold IRA. 1. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. The first step is finding a reliable Gold IRA custodian. This company will manage your account and ensure the rollover follows IRS rules. Look for good customer reviews, transparent fees, industry experience, secure storage options. 2. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. After selecting a custodian, open a self-directed Gold IRA account. This type of IRA allows you to invest in physical precious metals. 3. Start the TSP rollover. Request a direct rollover from your TSP into the new Gold IRA. A trustee-to-trustee transfer helps avoid taxes and penalties. 4. Buy IRS-approved precious metals. Once the funds are transferred, you can purchase approved metals such as gold bullion, silver coins, platinum, palladium. Gold is usually the most popular option for retirement investors. 5. Secure storage. IRS regulations require precious metals to be stored in an approved depository. Your custodian will arrange secure storage for your assets. Important things to consider before making the rollover. Remember to understand all fees involved. Review IRS regulations carefully. Consider your long-term retirement goals. Speak with a financial advisor if needed. Understanding how to convert a TSP to Gold IRA can help you build a more diversified retirement portfolio. By moving part of your TSP into a Gold IRA, you may gain better protection against inflation and market volatility while adding long-term financial stability to your retirement plan. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.